Welcome to my channel. Let's play with letters. Yeah, letters. These are capital and small letters. We can play these letters and arrange and match the letter. First we arrange, then match the capital and small letters. Then we say their sounds of letters. First, now we are playing. Yes, mix. Very well, mix. First, we are searching. Wow, A is here. A, A, A is here. And where is the capital B? Here is the capital B, A and B. Then which letter come after B? C. After the C, D. D. A, B, C, D. Now E. Next is E. E. A, B, C, D, E. Then after the E, F. F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we are searching and arranging the small letters. These are the capital letters. These are the capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we are arranging the small letters. Here are the A. A. Then we are searching the B. Where is the B? Where is the B? Here, this is the B. Wow. I find B. Where is the C? This is the C. C. After that, D. D. And after that is E. E. Wow. I arrange in capital and small letters. Now we are after that we are A B C D E F A B C D E F A B C D E. Here is E, not F is not present. Where is F? We can find. Yes, this is F. F. It is small F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we are going on the book. Book. Here is the book. Wow, here is the book. Here is A. You can match. This is match with this A. Now capital A. Where is the capital A? A. A. Where is the B? B small b. Small b. Then capital B. We are adding the capital B. A. B. B. Where is the small c? Here is the small c. And a capital C. Wow, great. Now here is a small D. Where is the capital D? Here is the capital D. We are arranging these letters. Now the sounds of these letters. A, small a, capital A, small b, capital B, small c, capital C, small d, capital D. A for ant, A for ant, A for X, A for X, A for apple, A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, B for bird, B for bird. B for basket. B for basket. C for cat. C for cat. C for car. C for car. C for cape. C for cape. D for dog. D for dog. D for desk. D for desk. D for drum. D for drum.